Hello, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the world of red creeping thyme, a vibrant and aromatic ground cover that adds a carpet of color to your outdoor spaces. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of gardening. Red creeping thyme, scientifically known as Thymus Coccineus, is a charming and versatile herb, celebrated for its vibrant red blooms and aromatic foliage. Native to southern Europe, this perennial ground cover has found its way into gardens around the world, particularly in regions with well-draining soil and abundant sunlight. An interesting fact about red creeping thyme is this low-growing, spreading habit, forming a dense mat of tiny green leaves that burst into a stunning display of red flowers during the blooming season. While primarily cultivated for its ornamental value and the aromatic quality of its foliage, thyme, in general, has a rich history of traditional medicinal uses. Thyme is known for potential antibacterial and antifungal properties, and its essential oil is often used in aromatherapy. In the garden, red creeping thyme serves not only as an attractive ground cover, but also as a beneficial companion plant. Its aromatic nature may help deter certain pests, making it a popular choice for planting between stepping stones or in rock gardens. As for nutrient values, thyme is generally rich in antioxidants and can add flavor and depth to culinary dishes, showcasing its multifaceted appeal in both gardens and kitchens. It thrives in well-drained soil with full sunlight. Thyme plants are relatively low maintenance and require occasional watering, especially during dry periods. Maintaining a consistent temperature and pruning back the foliage for denser growth are crucial for their well-being. Red creeping thyme adapts well to rock gardens, borders, and container cultivation, making it an ideal choice for garden enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of gardening. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Farewell and happy gardening.